want to eat breakfast but don't have a lot of time, but you wish that you could have a healthy breakfast, I'm here to show you how easy that is. Alright, so I'm going to be using the original Quaker packs. You can also use the ones that come in the big box. I'm using these. I usually use 2, and that's enough for 1 person. What's kind of cool about these packets is if you don't have a measuring cup, there's actually a little line here, and you just fill up with water or milk. I'm using almond milk in this example. Since we're using 2, we have to use 2. There's 1. You have to be careful with these little packets. They're nice, but they actually leak, so you have to kind of be careful. If you want a little bit not as thick oatmeal, make sure to add a little bit less. If you want it more thicker, you can add a little less. Stir this up. I mean, this would be nice if you can handle it here, but for me, it's not sweet enough. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of towel, put this over it, and then put it in the microwave. Alright, so here it is after the microwave. I did about a minute because I didn't want it to get super hot. So, I mean, if you can eat it like this, it's good. But for myself, it's just not sweet enough. So I'm going to use some of this light agave nectar. I don't measure it. I just put in the amount that I think would be okay. And then I taste it. And if it's still not sweet enough, then I put in a little bit more. So I think it's maybe like 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon and a half. But wait, there's more. Ground cinnamon. It actually makes it taste so much better. I've had the Starbucks version of oatmeal, and this is 10 times better. So then you just stir it up and you're good to go. That is a good breakfast in under 5 minutes.